Okay, friends, how do you open a script and save a script on PitchUp's Teleprompter 3.0? Say you are going to do a new script, right? It's going to clear everything out. You're like, oh, you know what? I'm going to open a script. You can just click open here. It'll pull up the script. If you already have chapters in there, you can see those by getting rid of that, going and seeing the different chapters you have. Now, say I wanted to save this script now. I'm going to save this as a new script. Therefore, I'm going to call it more tutorials. Going to save that script to make it a little bit different than the other one. And then there you go. The other thing you want to do then is if you wanted to download the script. So you basically highlight that script right here in those three dots going downwards and you say download the script. And that's going to download it into whatever folder you've designated it for. What's good about this is that if they gave me that script and I want to upload a file, well, that file is now in my downloads. So when I open it, that file comes right into my PitchUp teleprompter. And so now I have a new script that I can use or share with other people that I want to share with. Thanks for watching.